Our group chose the compensation period in the mountain of motor development. Types of compensation are age-associated and injury-induced. As people grow older, sensory systems naturally start to degrade. This could also be known as senescence. Loss of vision is the age-related compensation our group focused on. In this video, the older gentleman playing bocce ball is legally blind in one eye.
Oh.
Due to his loss of vision, he compensates by zeroing the bigger balls on his target. He is relying on the feedback process. Feedback process. A compensatory response requires the ability of perception. In this case, bocce ball perception is the key to getting the bigger ball close to the target. Feedback is first seen in infants between 4 to 9 months. Successful reaching is considered to be feedback dependent. Feedback is again seen in aging adults when fundamental motor skills start to decline to emphasize accuracy instead of speed. Check out his accuracy when he starts playing. As he plays, he throws the bigger balls closer to the smaller ball called the jack. Another form of compensation is injury-induced. Injuries can happen at any level of development. Compensation is when the body is not able to mechanically function, and then it adapts to new constraints. In this video, we focused on ACL injury, which is caused of the bones twisting in the opposite direction. The ACL is a major ligament located in the center of the knee, connecting the femur and the tibia. When an individual suffers from an ACL injury, the body adapts by increasing and decreasing the use of the surrounding muscles. This helps the ACL while it heals. The quadriceps will be less engaged, the hamstrings will be more engaged, and the calf muscle will be more engaged. In the next video, the athlete demonstrates cutting hard to the right. The first video shows the athlete's normal angle uses while cutting to the right prior to an ACL injury. The second video shows the athlete's angle after recovering from an ACL injury. Initially, the athlete is able to make a sharp cut to the right.
Go.
Notice the sharp angle of his left knee. Now he performs the same task with the knee brace on. Notice the curvature of his cut. The damage to his ACL does not allow him to make the sharp turns he previously was able to make. The brace assists in stabilizing the knee joint. Notice the differences in the angles of the cuts. The athlete is not able to place as much weight on the knee with the ACL injury. He is forced to take a wider turn than normal. Age-associated targets the population that is starting to experience constraints related to aging. Injury-induced targets those individuals who suffer any injury that constrains their normal movement.